So Uline allows you 30 days to pay for it. And I think that's amazing.
The number you have dialed has been changed.
What's up, guys? It's your girl Z, and thank you for watching me. Period. So today, actually, let me stop. If you are new here, please subscribe. If you are back, hey girl. Girl is unisex, okay? For girls and for guys. Girl. Period. Anyway, so I want to come on here because I just got my package from Uline and I want to talk about it. This is my first time ever ordering from Uline, so I thought I would do a video. I'll put my lip gloss back in my little purse. Oh, by the way, I have a boutique. It's called Juicy Demeanor. You can follow me on Instagram at Juicy Demeanor. And y'all, look at this cute little purse that I have. It's one of my little mini purses. And it comes with this strap that you can wear like this. I just came from dinner, so I have my little purse. It fits like essentials. You can put your car keys in here, your card, your ID, and your lip gloss. Period. Oh, wait. Period. And it's cute too. So anyway, just a little promo. Oh, and you can get your birth year necklaces with me. I'm gonna drop my website. I got a whole bunch of good stuff. Anyway, let's get to the point. So let me just tell you my experience. So I had ordered from, I've been hearing about Uline for a while now, and I didn't order from them. But push come to shove, I know they said they have really, really fast shipping. So I was like, let me check it out because I needed some boxes really, really quick. So I went on uline.com and I placed my order. What's today? Wednesday? I placed my order on Monday. Now, mind you, with their website, if you place before 6 o'clock, they will ship it the same day. Tell me why I ordered. I looked up, it was $5.50. I had to hurry up and put my stuff in the cart and create a account, because you have to create an account in order to do it. So I had to hurry up and do it real quick. And I placed my order before 6 o'clock, and I got an email right before 6 o'clock. Oh, this is my little invoice. Let me cover up my address. It's my little invoice. So let me tell y'all. So when I get to the checkout, it asks me to put my information in there, like my name, my shipping address, boom, boom, boom. And I'm, get ready to put in my card to pay for it. And I get to the checkout screen. It goes, thank you for your purchase, without ever putting no card in, without nothing. And I was like, huh? What? So I was like, okay, let me make sure I did this right. So I looked into the email, and it was like, lo and behold, it's getting shipped to my house. Okay, so sorry, I got a phone call. I don't even know what I was saying. Oh, okay, so I looked on there and it said net 30. I said net 30. Who is she? Right? So I go to Google and I look it up, and basically net 30 is you have 30 days to pay for it. So I was like, oh, snap. Like, I was like, dang, I could have put a whole bunch of stuff in my cart then. Because, we usually have to pay for it, and then it be adding up. You like, oh, no, I'm on it. So, yes, so Uline allows you 30 days to pay for it. And I think that's amazing. Okay, so I ordered it on Monday. I just got home at, I don't know what time it is. And it was showed up at my doorstep. And mind you, this package is coming from Pennsylvania. Baby, that was quick. And I'm in the mountains for college, so it got here quick. All right, so I'm about to open it. Let me scoot it over so y'all can see. Okay. Try not to. So this is the box. It's kind of big. Ugh. Okay. So we're gonna open it. I already kind of cut it. Make sure it's, ooh, not a little extra leg. Okay. Let's turn it this way. Dang, it's a big box. Oh, go over there. Go over there. Dang, don't want to stay. Wow. Okay. So, let's see. They give you a little promo. Okay, a little promo cord. Okay. Little book for janitorial essentials, you know. All right. Okay. So what I ordered was some poly mailers, some boxes, and some jewelry boxes. So let's see what these hitting on. I got these for my clothing. Ooh. I got these for my clothing, my t-shirts and my sweatshirts and stuff. And they are 10, ooh, heavy, 10 by 13 by 2. And it came 100 in a pack. And I think I paid, well, I will pay $30 for them. I haven't paid yet. Okay, so, oh, this one ripped. That's okay. Ain't none of little tape can't fix. Okay. So this is the bubble mailer. I just got white ones because I don't need nothing too fancy. That's what it look like. And then it's not bubble mailer because clothes don't need that much protecting. Okay, so I like these. Maybe they're supposed to have a hole right there. I don't know. Actually, oh, it's a tearaway. Oh, okay. Okay. That's fine. Alright. So I got 100 of these. Bubble mailers. Poly mailers, I mean. And they say that they're self-sealed, so I don't know what that means. Oh, I guess that means you tear it off and just do it like that. So then why say self-sealed? I don't know. Okay, got my poly mailers. I got my boxes. I don't even know what size box this is. Ooh. I want to break it down. Ugh. Okay, I think I got 50 of these. I don't even know how you, I ain't never seen this one. Let's see. They always make these things so secure. Like they're going through the military or something. Alright. I don't know what size boxes these are. Let me see. Okay, this is 7 1/8 by 4.5 by 3. Okay. Let's see how we're gonna fold this bad boy. Oh, got you. Okay. Okay, cool. I like that. I like that a lot. Okay. Okay, that's cute. Little box. I like that a lot. And I think these are more secure than the ones I was getting on Amazon. Let me see if this will fit in here. Mine's my AirPods. Okay, it do fit. Period. I'll probably end up putting those in a poly mailer, but okay, I like that. I like that. Put these over here. Ugh. Okay, so then the last thing I got was 100 jewelry boxes. And I believe that these are the clear top jewelry boxes. So we're gonna see. Hold on. Oh wow. I thought it was gonna look tacky, but it actually looks pretty good in person. So This is the box. This is the little cotton padding that comes in it. And this is the top. But the top is see-through, so when you put something in it, for instance, let me get one of my necklaces. So if I were to get one of my little necklaces, put it in here. I mean, of course we'll take out the plastic, but just for showing purposes, you put the top one in. And then you can see the product in there. That's really cute. And then I could put like my logo on here. I like that a lot. I like that a lot. Okay. So overall, I am very pleased by Uline. This is my first time ever ordering, and I'm about to order from them all the time. I really like how they allow you to get the product before you even pay for it. I know that there is some, I'm sure there's some measures that they have to take as far as people actually paying them their money and stuff. I'm gonna look on my account because I know that they had said something on there about like having it, like you have to have the invoice before you can pay for it. And this is my invoice right here. So for 50 boxes, 100 poly mailers, and 100 jewelry boxes, I paid $130. So yeah, these came really, really quick. Yeah, look, the invoice date is 7/20 and today's the 22nd. That's so crazy. Anyway, I rate this company a 10 out of 10. I'm gonna be ordering some more stuff so I can, you know, kind of see like what it's really like. But so far, I love it. Like, this is the fastest I ever received any of my products, and they still giving me 30 days to pay for it. So I recommend using Uline. They have a whole bunch of stuff. Like, they got all types of boxes and different types of what's it called, poly mailers, bubble mailers. Like, they have so much stuff in there. I think you can get custom stuff on there too. I'm not sure, but anyway, order from Uline, period. So thank y'all for watching this video. Like I said, my name is Z, and thank you for watching me. Please like, comment, and subscribe. I promise to give y'all good information, drop some gems like I always say. Check out my website. If you're here, please comment below your business, because I like to follow business pages with my business Instagram. And my business Instagram is Juicy Demeanor, and my website is juicydemeanor.net. Thank you guys for watching. See you in the next video.